Hello, and welcome to the VeriSM Foundation course. My name is Dr. Suzanne Van Hove, and thanks for joining me today. I look forward to speaking with you about VeriSM as one of the lead authors for this new approach. It's exciting, and it's fresh, and it's new in a way that service management now impacts the entire organization. This course is going to focus on the service organization. So we're going to change the definition of what that service organization is and explain why we've had to change that definition because of the impact of digital technologies and digital transformation activities of an organization. Service management plays an impact here, but at the same time, service management also needs to change its approach as well. We'll look at the VeriSM model and approach, its various components, and we'll also explain how and why VeriSM uses various management practices and the emerging technologies to support the organizational-wide service management initiatives. You're going to see that VeriSM is about the consumer and the organization looking to deliver services in a manner that meets the needs not only of the consumer, but also of the organization. It is about the value stream. This is an exciting course. It's different, so stay with me as we move forward. The schedule here, well, we're going to talk about that service organization. How has it changed a little bit? We're going to talk about service culture. There's a different flavor and a different atmosphere that we need to start building and start driving within today's organizations as services or even products are being delivered to the consumer. It is a different mindset. We'll talk about the people, what changes in the people in terms of the capabilities and competencies. And we'll also be looking at the organizational structure of that service organization. Of course, one of the main focuses will be on the VeriSM model itself and looking at its various components. And this is an important piece as we really need to understand how VeriSM works compared to all of the other service management practices, methodologies, and standards that are out there today. We'll then conclude this course with a look at the progressive practices, Agile, DevOps, Lean, Shift Left, continuous delivery, and others, as well as the innovative technologies that are really driving services forward as a faster, quicker approach and quicker delivery to that consumer. Then lastly, we'll give you some hints and tips on how to take this information back to your organization and really get started on adopting and adapting this VeriSM model that goes across the entire service organization. The course book is the VeriSM volume, which is a service management approach for the digital age. The full volume is invaluable, but there is also a pocket guide. As part of the course, you receiving the electronic copy of the pocket guide, I strongly urge you to have that open and available as we go through the course materials. Now, because I was one of the lead authors, I would love for you to have the full volume, which is listed up above, because there's more information in there than what could be in a pocket guide, hence a pocket guide. There's more information in the book and in the pocket guide than what will be discussed in the course. So be prepared, go out and get those volumes and have them handy because the information in there will obviously supplement and also enhance what we talk about over the next few modules. Of course, there's always going to be certifications available, and at the foundation level, or I should say the entry level, there are 3. Of course, there's the full foundation, which you are participating in right now, but there's also 2 kind of like subset courses. The first is the Essentials, and this is an introductory course to service management and the VeriSM model. So if you've never had any background in service management and you only have a small amount of time, this would be a good class to take to get a good understanding of service management as described by VeriSM. The Plus course are for people who already own a foundation certificate, either from ITIL, ISO IEC 20000, or IT for IT. And this course focuses not only on the model, but the progressive practices and emerging technologies. The foundation course covers all of the material in both the Essentials and the Plus class. So the foundation certification exam, well, it's a typical foundation exam, 40 multiple choice questions. You have to get 26 out of the 40 correct, or 65%. No resources are allowed, and you have 60 minutes to complete the exam. We do have sample exams in the student folder, so make sure that you download those and use those for practice as you go through. The exam is very broad in the information that is required. So I would strongly suggest you also download the syllabus or the examination prep guide and look at the percentages of the various components for the foundation exam, and you can sort of kind of figure out how many questions within each topic will be on that exam. Okay, so those are the logistics for the course. I look forward to seeing you in the next module.